Well, today was kind of a fiddly day. Took the old bolt joints off, took the old boots off, greased up the inner tie rod ends, put the inner tie rods, put the outer tie rods on, put the new boots on, cleaned up the little brake adjusters, bead blasted in, put some anti-seize on them. And I had nothing else to do. I put new plugs in the trailing arms. And out here, my brother's project for the day was the radiator guard. One of the previous owners had used this hole to either tow or tie it down. And this one right here, this whole front section was missing. So he cut out a piece of steel, shaped it, welded it in. Can't even tell it was missing. Later. There's something you guys probably don't know, but I also do stained glass. And this was a piece I did for my brother, which is a replica of his car. It's too bad his car is undercover right now, or I could show you this and his car. Later.